What percent?
Good question.
92.
I'd hope it's not 92 or we're bad at this game.
It was close. It was either 40 or sub 40. It was around there.
Was it really, huh?
Yeah, I saw 40. I couldn't see the second number because I'm blind and this arena is red and it's 845 right and I hate it. Too much red.
Change the bar.
Maybe I will actually. It's kind of hard to see now in this fight.
Oh, I need to see where 12 bar is. Oh, it's up there. I'll never look there. Cross.
You okay, Kleiner?
Vibin'.
Okay. Just making sure I'm not still scaring you.
I'm always scared. That's the secret.
Where the hell am I going?
Right there.
Who am I partner with? Oh my god.
You know the deal.
Sounds like a Raja partner.
That's all I'm offering.
You didn't even give me anything!
But I did it right there.
You can't say it's all I'm offering before you actually do it.
The animation was going on.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't.
That was just bad timing.
I was like, wait a minute, nothing happened.
That's all I'm offering. You know the tuxedo mask meme?
I offer nothing. You get nothing.
No, the tuxedo mask one where like
My work here is
that
done.
yeah, there you go.
But you didn't do anything.
Back up.
Oh, yep. Yep.
Center. Northwest to the right. Back up.
God, that was spicy as hell from me.
Move. Wing.
Oh, I'm feeling real spicy this run.
Tank buster.
I think this is the clear.
I don't know. Who knows? That final phase might be the white-black tornado spinning when it's just 40% in rage.
I'm shrouded.
Back up.
Oh, I'm stupid. In case anyone was
Far,
wondering.
far.
What a waste of a casting phase.
Red. Get away from me. I was kind of hoping you got pushed into the wall.
Why?
I don't know. That would have been
didn't
funny.
It's just a visceral Eternus reaction to you.
We hope you
There's
understand.
a little reaction that I listened to.
Just not of Eternus.
I hate my Reaper.
A 3-part trilogy.
Thank you. Thank you for that help.
I don't take compliments well for my Reaper.
No, I was talking about whoever's north. Southwest. PB, I'll be there soon. Don't worry. Don't worry about me, okay?
About you, so I'm not worrying about you. Get ready to dodge.
Very
Dodge.
relaxed.
Center.
Have to feel when it doesn't go off.
Everybody
Watch out,
roll.
something's dying. Something's dying.
Okay, we gotta put in work, Benji.
Right
Yeah.
side.
We're focusing
Cornu,
this
yeah,
time,
Cornu, let's put in work. Ignore them.
Finisher. Finisher.
I'm done
Finisher.
with this. I'm done with this.
Excellent. Save my
I'm
last
not
finisher
shit.
for the big bird.
Damage.
Oh, there's
Oh, I forgot to put Veil up.
Ow.
Yeah, I forgot Veil up.
Yo, this is looking real spicy right now. Any spicers in chat?
Dude, I'm feeling pretty spicy.
Just feeling like a little
Mine's
black
fucked,
pepper.
but you know, I'm trying to pick up the pieces.
Just a little black pepper here.
Peppercorn.
My offensive cooldowns are never correct. Ever.
Believe in the Cardia.
I'll believe. I believe.
Believe in the Cardia.
Don't let me down, Cardia. I believe. Oh, I've got
Not-
so much
it's not
HP.
for us.
Yo, we're looking nice. Babby's in the cribs. Babby's in the cribs.
I hate that so much.
Okay.
Please be sack, please be sack, please be sack, please be sack, please be
I know.
sack.
I like Stack. Stack feels safe.
I trust none of you on spread.
Rude.
I trust you, Glad. You haven't killed me yet.
Thank you, thank you. I try not.
First
Yeah.
spread.
Spread.
Oh God!
Remember on middle?
Hi, PB.
The fuck are we?
You're good. You're good.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, team. This is the spice.
We're in.
Oh, buffs.
We're
No one's
full
walking
buffs after this period ends. It's
What?
DPS period. Remember north and east, and then south and west. So we're rotating clockwise. This is big. This is really big.
I'm just gonna move there.
Oh, I wasn't far enough. Oh, I was. Hold on.
Oh, I got bird struck.
Time for
We
me to
can
save
recover
the
with the
day
limit.
again.
Let me break recover. Oh, please.
And once again.
Remember, bulk straight away because it's gonna fucking.
Go
bio
save
shit.
the TV.
Feign and shit. Whatever. I'm fine, I have shields. You're not fine.
I fainted.
Okay, we're
Tank
good.
buster, tank tether, tank tether, tank tether, tank
Oh,
tether,
yeah.
tether to tanks.
Good call.
You want Veil for this next
phase
thing?
one?
Yes.
Actually, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yes, I do, because I don't have buff.
Okay, so let's clear again. Big damage here, and then we're going to. I don't have feint. Sorry.
It's fine.
We're gonna do 3s into 1s. Tanks north. Tanks in melee north. 3s into 1s. Over here. It's spread after. Spread.
Wait, go Carol. Carol.
Stop, Kelvin. Okay.
Heal fast. Rain. Fire rain.
Reprisal.
Okay, same thing. 3 and 1. 3 and 1.
Go clockwise. Just go clockwise, everybody.
Yep.
Get
Tanks
your
pick
tower.
up tethers. Tornado people, tornado people. Every DPS
Shit.
3. Cairo 3.
Drink.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't put up a cooldown in time for that.
This is the knockback tornado plus donut tornadoes. So we're gonna go next to the black tornado.
Puddles first, puddles first.
Okay, good call.
Oh, that kind of puddle.
Head to
Okay.
the black tornado. Anti-knockback as a test if you can. And it's gonna be 2 stacks after.
Oh, and then
Did
I'll...
anti-knockback work?
Nope.
Okay, that's fine.
I have no idea what just happened there.
It's very good
There,
training.
there was a safe spot at the wall behind 3.
Behind 3. Okay, you have to get
There's
pushed
also
back all the way to the
donuts
wall.
around the tornadoes, so you can just get pushed back to a tornado.
Gotta hope you don't fall in it.
Yeah, I was
Scary,
perfectly safe.
the scary thing there is if it's not stack but spread.